Welcome to the April 2024 issue of Cleaner Magazine. On the cover, discover the evolution of champion cleaning specialists, from humble beginnings to a nationwide powerhouse. Meet John Parnell, navigating the company's growth from industrial cleaning to cutting-edge services like hydro-excavation and pipelining. Explore their impressive fleet, including Vactor 2100s and custom-built trucks from Rush Overland. Step into the inspiring world of Rocky Bleier, former NFL star turned motivational speaker, sharing tales of resilience and commitment at the Wet Show. Learn from his journey of overcoming adversity, echoing the spirit of relentless improvement in your own business endeavors. Explore the complexities of ventilating confined spaces with our comprehensive guide. Dive into the challenges safety managers and crews face, from calculating air exchange rates to selecting the right forced air blower. Ensure your team's safety with expert insights and practical advice. Embark on the journey of JD and Tana Christensen, founders of Platinum Plumbing, as they share their remarkable evolution from a modest plumbing venture to a pioneering force in directional drilling. Discover their insights, challenges, and the technological investments that propelled their success. Discover the transformative journey of Ian Stewart, co-owner of ESP&P Industrial Services, as he recounts the pivotal shift towards Stone Age's robotic tube cleaning machines. Explore the remarkable benefits reshaping labor dynamics, enhancing safety, and maximizing productivity in industrial cleaning operations. Join Jim Thomas and Kevin McGinn as they unveil crucial strategies for navigating the turbulent waters of equipment financing in today's market. From adapting to fluctuating interest rates to negotiating loan terms and maintaining equipment, discover expert insights to optimize your business's financial health and growth potential. Discover how AI is transforming customer relationships, streamlining back-end operations, and saving costs. Learn about innovative tools reshaping the landscape and how your business can adapt for future success. Learn about the cutting-edge equipment shaping the future of horizontal directional drilling and hydro-excavation. Meet industry leaders like American Augers and Ditch Witch, whose innovations are revolutionizing job site efficiency and safety. Explore the latest tech from Dynablast, ENS USA, and more. Upgrade your drain cleaning arsenal with Milwaukee Tools M18 Fuel High-Speed Chain Snake. Revolutionize your workflow with its ability to clear clogs in 1.5 to 4-inch pipes, minimizing clutter and maximizing efficiency. Are you pivoting your services to new market sectors? Let us know how it's going. Send an email to editor@cleaner.com. Thank you for watching and see you next month.